Hello plant parents. Do you guys know that smell has the power to change your behaviors? Don't you think so? Imagine you keep it on your hands, or you putting a Chanel or a Coco or a Versace perfume into your daily lives, or a washroom where you get this bad smell and your behavior changes. This is what we've been trying to do, and I've been particularly trying to study this for the last almost a year. And I thought I should do something where we should talk about aromatherapy. We are living in these balconies and smaller places where we have such a high depressing and stressful lives, and where can we using plants change the behavior of ourselves? And that's where aromatherapy comes in, and it's a very famous topic all across the world, a very detailed one. When I started studying, and I realized that there's so many journals and so many researches been done on how human's behavior changes with different smells. तो चाहे वो बाथरूम की गंदी स्मेल है या आपने एक अच्छा सा इत्र लगाया हुआ है, in both these incidences your behavior changes in different modes. It might get positive, it might get negative, it can get neutral, and depending on what sort of smells you take in is how your behavior changes. And that's what I also thought about, because when I was a kid, I remember हमारे घर में एक बहुत बड़ा जैस्मिन का पेड़ था, and उसमें कम से कम 250-300 रोज के फूल आते थे. And every morning when I used to play cricket, I remember वो स्मेल आती थी and mom dad वहाँ पे चाय पी रहे होते थे, and I used to wonder कि अच्छी स्मेल आ रही है और उससे क्या मतलब कैसे उसके बिहेवियर चेंज होते हैं. Now I can realize that actually उसकी वजह से आपके बहुत सारे बिहेवियर चेंज होते हैं. You feel positive, you feel more energetic, and that's why when I had my own house, I thought let me have in my balconies a whole concept of aromatherapy. Exactly. So if you look at these two plants on my back, these are basically jasmine mogra, वो जिसमें 3 फूल निकलते हैं एक ही बर्ड्स के साथ, and it gives a very very energetic and soothing smell. And ये हमने अपनी बालकनी में लगाया हुआ है, and my idea is that this whole back railing I should be able to cover it. So I got this just a month back, and you can already see that there are a lot of these flowers coming in. So jasmine mogra is actually, I got inspired when I was doing Amitabh ji's house, and Jaya ji's के जो गजरा होता था उनके पास, she told me that Anu, get me jasmines where I should at least get 200 to 300 flowers every day, क्योंकि वो घर पे ही अपना जो अपने बालों में लगाती थी उसमें वो अपने आप ही उसमें घर पे ही बनाती थी. And from there I remember that I should also do something, and this is our balcony, is our common balcony where we spend, this is our main balcony where we spend a lot of our time together as family. And when in the morning you want to have a breakfast or a morning tea, or evening when there's a good breeze coming around and you want to sit and relax with your parents or your family or your kids, I think this is one thing you want to feel. Can you hear the voice of the peacocks? So imagine a good smell, a nice coffee, and these peacocks chirping all around. It gives such a soothing things to you that your mind gets so refreshed and all the anxiety, all the tension goes out. So today, that's why I thought let me do this session on aromatherapy. And I think every house you have yourself the power to create your own areas of these plants which gives this beautiful smell. So I have these 3 main plants which actually give smell, which are so aromatic and have the power to change our behaviors. So one is the jasmine, which is on my back. Again, a very good sturdy perennial plant, blooms most part of the year, like summer. सर्दियों में इतना अच्छा नहीं होता है, but still the foliage remains, the flower doesn't comes, but the whole season right now, if you can see, it has almost, this has 20-25 flowers all around, almost we get 50 to 70 flowers right now, But I know as I will cover this and this start creeping on the whole wall, we will not be able to see the other side, and when it gets all covered out, it will be a very beautiful vertical wall of smell for us, where we'll spend a lot of our time. So in case you want to have a soothing experience, or every morning you just want to open up your balcony window and want to get all the nice smell come in, just get these jasmines. It's a very good available at, I think, almost all the garden centers around. Different sizes it can have. Now depending on where you want to put in, you can have it. It likes sun. Good watering is what it likes. Very little feeding, and still it gives the flowers all around the year. I have just feeded it once, nothing else, and it's been growing really nice. If you look at the new leaves which are coming out, look how beautiful the stems are coming in, and how the new sprouts are coming in all around. The stem has becoming so big. This is where it will grow into a mesh and cover up the whole railing. Beautiful one for us. I have one more of this, which is the other one I have in my other balcony. Again, that's a very big mother plant which I have, a plant, very healthy jasmine. When I got this one, and then the whole family pushed me कि यार मुझे हर एक के कमरे में चाहिए, हर एक के balcony में चाहिए. So we actually got 3 of them more for each balcony, so that every morning when they open up their window or their main balcony gate, they can smell this beautiful one. And trust me, मतलब Chanel feel हो जाएगा, Versace feel हो जाएगी. Any of the best of the perfumes you have bought, they are actually cannot compete with the smell which this Jasmine Mogra gets it. It's an original Mysore variety, very beautiful foliage also, and the smell is completely aromatic and completely soothing. It soothes out your mind, brings you into your comfort zone. So I think if you live in a very high stressful job, or wants to spend time in your balcony and want to come more often, trust me, if you'll put this, you will have a lot of time coming into your balcony. The next plant which I have is this one. It's a Raat Ki Rani, and I'm sure I think all of us, either in our childhood or somewhere in our life, have seen those beautiful white flowers with the red lining in between, being lying on the floors in the morning. And this is what it is. Raat ko this gives such a beautiful smell. This has just sprouted once for us, and now this season I am hoping that this will again sprout. I will put it into the railing. So we bought it very recently. I again want to just adjust it into a new area. I still haven't found the right place to put in. It should creep. It creeps very well, so you can put again in the wall and it can creep, or into your railing you can get it creeped. I'll show you how I have done it once I get that done. But again, this is one plant you should definitely have, called Raat Ki Rani. Again, beautiful smell. It's again available at different places. Always look at buying a healthy plant. This is the mother plant basically. So the stems are really thick. So when the whole foliage will come up and grow, we will see that a lot of flowers will come out in the next season. So that's my second plant which you should have. Raat Ki Rani again. How I wish I could also show you how it feels, the smell of breathing in the fresh air and the cool breeze going onto your face, with the smell of the flowers also coming into the bedroom. So the whole bedroom sort of gets this beautiful smell every morning. So this is the second plant you should have. The third, which is also in my house I have, is the lemongrass. Again, imagine going to a spa and having that lemon oil, lemongrass ka jo oil hota hai, uski smell. that soothing smell. You should have the third plant you should have at home. Again, a very soothing experience. If you crush the leaves and put it in your bedroom, it gives a beautiful smell. So I do it very often. It is also used in our teas, morning tea, but 1 or 2 leaves I also pluck it and just rub it and just keep it in the room, and the smell is super awesome from the leaves around. So these are the 3 plants which we have from the aromatherapy session. In case you don't have them, do buy them very quickly, and trust me, you will really enjoy them. If you have any queries in terms of the care or are not able to find it, just put in the comments below, and my team will help you get the right source or help you know more about it in terms of the plant care. So that's from our current session on aromatherapy. Do keep watching our show on of My Plant My Baby on YouTube, and I will love to interact with you guys. Do share your feedback, your comments too with me, and I'll love to revert back with my team there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Do subscribe to our channel My Plant My Baby on YouTube.